If you're looking to boost your immune system, here are 7 of my favorite immune boosting herbs. Okay, number 1 on my list is Astragalus. Now, Astragalus has been used for over 1,000 years at helping to tonify the immune system. It's also known to really help with upper respiratory tract infections. Number 2 on my list is Echinacea. Now, this is known as the purple coneflower, and it was one of the most potent herbal medicines used as a natural antibiotic before we had conventional antibiotics. And it is the root of the Echinacea. You may have this in your garden like I do. It is that root that has those medicinal properties. Number 3 on my list is American Ginseng. Now, this helps to tonify the immune system, and this form of ginseng is also a herbal adaptogenic. What that means is that in times of stress, which if you think about it, often when you get sick with either a cold or a flu or something else that your body is fighting, often that happens just after you've had a lot of stress. So the American Ginseng really does help to tonify that immunity, working as an adaptogen to regulate your cortisol levels as well. Number 4 on my list of immune boosting herbs is Althea. This is marshmallow. Not marshmallows as the fluffy white things, but I'm talking about the herbal medicine marshmallow, which is known as a demulcent herb. It helps to break up mucus. Fantastic for sore throats as well, and irritated mucous membrane. So if you do have a sore throat, either drinking the tea of marshmallow or taking the actual herbal medicine, and this is what I do, is open up the capsule with a combination of these herbal medicines right into your mouth, and then you drink it down with a little bit of water. Amazing for coating and also killing some of that bad bacteria that may be in the throat. Okay, number 5 on my list is oregano, and I'm talking about the whole plant of the oregano. You don't necessarily want to take the drops of oregano oil, which can be a little bit hard on your liver and gallbladder health, but the whole plant of oregano has natural medicinal effects as a natural antibiotic, meaning that it kills off less favorable organisms, but also is fantastic for killing off things like candida and other things like parasites, which could also be compromising your immunity. So I love that oregano. Okay, number 6 on my list is black walnut. So much like oregano, also kills off parasites and their eggs, but also helps to tonify the immune system because it can kill off bad bacteria as well. And number 7 on my list is cloves. Now, cloves are fantastic also to help with the parasites as well as their eggs, but also cloves is known to help with killing off bad bacteria, so unwanted organisms that we don't necessarily want to be inhabiting, whether it's our gut microbiome, in our mouth as well, but also that can be plaguing our immune system because, of course, when we have an unhealthy microbiome, that is over 80% of our immunity comes from having that healthy gut. Now, if you are struggling, your body's fighting something, I want you to check out another one of my videos, and it's how to make an easy immune shot recipe that really does work. I'll see you there.